In other news, 6 years after the federal government introduced the whistleblower policy, the number of whistleblowers have reduced due to the lack of identity protection. But the Lagos state government might just have found a solution to encourage more people to speak out while keeping their identity anonymous. Inioluwa Kupola reports.
The mechanism for fighting corrupt practices has been a subject of constant debate among stakeholders, both in Nigeria and across the globe. The whistleblowing policy, which was introduced in 2016, recorded over 4,000 whistleblowers in 2017, with a drastic reduction in that number.
So just to add to the...
But the Lagos state government has provided a channel where employees and stakeholders can freely report any illegal actions or misconduct.
If we are not...
This project was launched using the Lagos State Internal Revenue Service as its first test.
This facility does not only provide the avenue to report, but ensures credibility of reports through investigation, feedback to the whistleblower, and ensures protection from such whistleblower from possible reprisals or victimization for all disclosures made in good faith. The whistleblowing framework is a two-way affair aiming to expose LRS staff involved with misconduct, employees of business entities.
There are 3 levels of anonymity. So if it is so sensitive and you do not want to be known, be assured that the whistleblower will not be identified.
In terms of incentive, the Commissioner for Finance says citizens should see this as a civic responsibility.
Hundreds of thousands of people observe wrongdoing every day, and they are left with very, very few choices. Most of them decide not to speak up, they decide to remain silent and conclude that there's nothing they can do to stop this problem. And what we're doing today is launching an avenue that would encourage, that will remind people of their civic duty.
This facility would not only create an effective speak-up culture, but would also serve as a check and balance for employees to thrive in their workplace.
And you will find, you just...
Inioluwa Kupola, TVC News, Lagos.